Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to revise the chapter Home Sweet Home, which is written by Nicholas Horsburgh. Dear children, we all live in a family. First of all, I would like to tell you the difference between a house and a home. House is just made of brick, cement. Any building can be called a house. But the members of the family live together with love, affection, care. It becomes a home. Whatever kind of home is ours, we love it. Today, we are going to study a related story. There are 5 characters in this story. Django is the father, Monica, his mother, Anton, a small boy, Iona is the name of a girl, and a lady, Eva. Already I have explained you this chapter, my dear children. Today we are going to revise it. First of all, we will revise the word meanings. So, as you see this video, please keep your books opened with you so we can revise together. Let us see the word meanings of this chapter. Accompaniment means music that is played with someone who is playing the main tune. Adorned means decorated or beautified. Aghast means struck by horror and amazement. Ambled means strolled or walked slowly. Disbelievingly means in a manner suggested a refusal to believe. Embers, small piece of glowing wood or coal in a dying fire. Emerged, came out of, came into view. Forlornly means sadly or desperately. Irritable, easily irritated or annoyed. Jangling, a harsh metallic sound. Jovially means marked by hearty good cheer or cheerfully. Muffle, to stifle or to deaden. Percussion, a section of an orchestra consisting of instruments that can be struck, such as drums, tambourines. Scuttle, ran hurriedly, or next is snorting, making a sound by forcing air through the nostrils quickly. Tambourine is a musical instrument consisting of drum head and small metal disc fixed in the sides. Turmoil means confusion in a state of upheaval. Now, in a short, I will tell you the summary of the chapter. Django, the father of the 2 children, Anton and Iona. Anton is the name of a boy and Iona is the name of a girl. Django was just trying to read the newspaper, but he was very much disturbed by his children because the children were playing, they were making a lot of noise, they were beating drums, they were playing with the tambourines, and a lot of noise, lot of sound they were making, and Django was very much disturbed. He shouted at his children. He told them to stop their games. Both the children obeyed their father and stopped their games. Monica, the mother of the children, were doing some household. She was in the kitchen. When she heard the shouting of Django, she came out of the kitchen. She was short in height and the kitchen was also very small. In a small house, small kitchen, she was adjusting, and she was adjusting happily. When she heard lot of sound, she came out. She said, Janko, that where these children will go, whatever space we are having, we should try to adjust in that. She said that this is the place, this is the space, they will be playing here only. Then Janko said, they can play anywhere, but they need not to make lot of noise just in front of me. Then Janko said that he was going to meet Vice Eva. Eva was also short in height like Monica. And earlier also, Janko went to Eva and she solved his problem. This problem was about the vegetable patch. When he went to Eva's house, Eva asked him about his problem. Then he said that his house is so small. He is not able to purchase a big house for himself. But in the small house, he is very uncomfortable. Children were making lot of noise. Then Eva said, whatever advice she will give, he must follow that advice without any question. Janko also agreed. Then Eva said, whatever animals you are having in a barn means the place where animals are kept. She said, whatever animals you are having in the barn, you just shift all those animals into your house. And can you imagine, my dear children, if we keep all the animals in our living room, what will be the condition? What will be the commotion? First, Janko tried to question him. But she said that he is not supposed to ask any question. Whatever Eva is telling him to do, he must do that. Then, quietly, he went back to his house. After reaching there, he saw Monica and the children all were waiting for him for the dinner. He told them to wait for him. He went to the barn and he brought all the animals into the living room. There was a great commotion in the house. Whole night nobody could sleep in the house. There were a lot of noise of the animals, noise of children fighting among each other. Means the house was completely disturbed, all were disturbed. Then the next day again, Janko went to Vice Eva. He said that what kind of advice she gave. Means it increased his problem. Then Eva said, now follow whatever I tell you. Now again you go back home and shift back all the animals into the barn. He went and did the same as Eva told him. He shifted all the animals back into the barn. And then whole day they cleaned up their house, and it took a lot of time to settle it again. There was a lot of mess. Now Janko realized that whatever space they were having was enough and sufficient for them. Now he got a great lesson from Wise Eva, that we should be satisfied with whatever we have. And then hereafter Janko learned to live happily with his family members. He learned to share the space whatever they had, and now children were able to play freely in the house. So my dear children, through this chapter we learn that whatever kind of home is ours, we should love it. We should understand the value of it. We should realize the hard work of our parents. My dear children, we should be always satisfied with what we have. So, all these good models we should apply in our life. Dear children, there are many question answers given in this chapter. You should learn the question answers, the word meanings, reference to context, and other small exercises like the opposite words of the opposites of the given words given in exercise 2, working with words, making sentences of your own. All these exercises, my dear children, given in the book, you should learn for your exam. Thank you.